All right, we're unboxing Diamondxpres diamond paintings. We have 2 diamond paintings in this box right here. And let's see what we have ordered. So, nice box. It's in pretty good shape. Here come the diamonds for the 2 diamond paintings. Here come the 2 diamond paintings. And here come the 2 toolkits. Okay, good. Let's first take a look at the canvases. And then we'll look at the toolkits, and then we'll look at the diamonds. So we have, okay, grease and chill. And this is a 30 by 40. It's got felt backing right there. Take a look at that. That's super nice. And the diamond painting canvas is super smooth. There are no wrinkles whatsoever. And you can look at the symbols right there and see how clear those symbols are. This is a square, very legible. Here is the legend. So very clear symbols right there. And a cool design. I like to take this all the way off and then put parchment paper on it when I do it. Now you can see how clear and smooth this is. No wrinkles whatsoever. Put this one back on. Show you the back side. All of those come out. Those are just bubbles because of the way I put this back on. So that one's super nice. And here's grease. Again, a 30 by 30. And this is square. There's the legend right there. Look at those symbols, perfectly clear. Very nice. The canvas has, it's perfectly, the canvas is perfect. Okay, so those are 2 nice diamond paintings. Let's look at the diamonds. So you get a sheet telling you how many diamonds you get of each color. And the legend. So that's nice. There's 30 packs of diamonds. I'm not gonna go through each one of these packs. I'm not gonna make you do that, but I'm gonna show you what the diamonds look like. Give you a good idea of the quality of these diamonds. Hold that steady for you. And they come in these nice bags, and they're all nicely arranged. Very easy to do an inventory. 742, check off 742, 996, check that off, 995, and so on and so on. I'm not going to do that in the interest of time. If there are any missing, then we just contact Diamondxpres and they send them to us. Never a problem. Okay, so that's that set. This set is pretty much the same. Look how nice those are. Look at those purple, I'm gonna fold those out, show those to you. Those look so nice. I wanna show you what those lavender ones look like. I apologize for the crinkling. Look at these. Look how flat those are on the back. Oops. Look at that. That's super nice. Okay. And then we have toolkits. Each one comes with a toolkit. And in the toolkit we have a tray, a diamond pen, tweezers, 2 good things of wax, small baggies, and then our multi-placer heads. You got a 10, a 7, and a 3. That's what it looks like right there. And of course you got the single. Put this on the diamond painting pen to help your fingers. Extra baggies, and of course we've got a set of tools for each one of the diamond paintings. So that's really nice. Good set of tools, good tray, nice little storage baggies if you need them for later on. All the multi-placer tips and a tray all go into a nice neat baggie, and we seal those up. So 2 diamond paintings. Very nice designs, good tools, great diamonds, and a good legend. Definitely 2 thumbs up for Diamondxpres diamond paintings. And of course, the felt backing, which keeps the canvas perfectly smooth. All right, thank you very much. Enjoy.